everyone. It's me, Mrs. Groner, and today we're going to be talking about retelling and sequencing. What are retelling and sequencing? Let's take a look. Retelling is when you tell a story again. Sequencing is when you arrange ideas in order. Oh, that's one of my favorite stories, The Gingerbread Man. In order to retell a story, you need to include the important details from the story. Sequencing words can help you to retell stories. First, next, then, after, later, last. You can even use a sequencing chart to help retell stories. On a chart, you can draw pictures of the action in the story, and then at the bottom, you have a space to write about what happens in the story. Let's try it. Think about a story we know. Oh, I know which story I'm thinking of, The Gingerbread Man. Let's use the sequencing words to tell the important parts. Okay, are you ready? Think about the story, The Gingerbread Man. What happens first? First, the old woman and the old man make some gingerbread. Next, they put the gingerbread into the oven. Then the old man smells that yummy gingerbread and he opens up the oven and out pops the gingerbread man. After that, the gingerbread man runs away saying, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." He runs away from all sorts of different characters in the story. Later, he meets a tricky fox who says he will help him across the river. Last, the gingerbread man gets eaten up by the tricky fox. That was great. Did you see how those sequencing words really help us to retell the story? I love that. Yeah, if I don't tell all of the important parts, my story just isn't complete. So if I didn't use all of those sequencing words, I would have had a really short story. Like first, the old woman makes a gingerbread man and he runs away and he says, "Run, run as fast as you can, can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." And he runs and he runs and he runs. But that misses a lot of important parts. So as you're retelling your stories, try to remember to use those sequencing words to really help you think about all of the important parts or details in the story. That makes the best retelling. Now it's your turn. Go and retell a story. Use those sequencing words and retell a story to your friends.